Freelancing has become a highly rewarding career path, and in 2025, it's easier than ever to turn your skills into a business. The demand for quality copywriters continues to rise, especially for sales pages, email funnels, and long-form content. Copywriting is essential for converting leads into customers, and high-quality copy can demand thousands for a single project. Top copywriters can charge $200 per hour, easily earning $20,000 a month with consistent projects. With businesses moving online, web and app development are two of the highest-paying freelance careers. Companies require custom websites and apps, and developers with specialized skills can command top rates. Web developers charge $50 to $200 per hour, with top developers earning $20,000 a month or more. Video content is in high demand across social media platforms, making it a lucrative niche. Producing high-quality videos takes skill and time, allowing for high earning potential. Video editors can charge $50 to $150 per hour, with potential to reach $20,000 a month. Digital marketing consulting is a necessity for businesses, making it highly profitable. Consultants who can drive real results are well compensated, making this a lucrative field. Experienced digital marketers can easily hit $20,000 per month. Online coaching is ideal for experts in specific fields, such as business or personal development. Clients value expert advice to help them meet their goals, making coaching a high-paying opportunity. Coaches can charge $100 to $500 per hour, reaching $20,000 a month with group sessions or online courses. Virtual assistants are in high demand, with remote work growing globally. Specialized VAs can charge high rates for services, allowing for significant income potential. By managing multiple clients, specialized VAs can also reach $20,000 a month. Freelancing offers huge potential for those willing to develop the right skills. By providing value and building a strong client base, you can transform your freelance career into a six-figure income.